Titanic Trivia. Ahoy there, young explorers! Before we dive deep into the icy waters of history with the Titanic Trivia, let's explore the printable and online worksheets on Tutoring Hour. Visit tutoringhour.com for your daily dose of practice. Are you ready for a journey of twists, turns, icebergs, and brain-busting questions? Let's get rolling. When did the Titanic set sail on its very first trip called the Maiden Voyage? Is it A. April 10th, 1912, B. April 10th, 1913, or C. April 10th, 1915? That's right, it is April 10th, 1912. The Titanic departed from Southampton, England on April 10th, 1912, with stops in Cherbourg, France, and Queenstown, Cove, Ireland before heading across the Atlantic. Where was the Titanic heading on its maiden voyage? Is it A. New York City, B. Boston, or C. Montreal? The correct answer is New York City. The Titanic was sailing from Southampton to New York City. Who was the captain of the Titanic? Is it A. Charles Alfred Bartlett, B. Robert Ballard, or C. Edward J. Smith? The correct answer is Edward J. Smith. He was known as the millionaire's captain because of his popularity with wealthy passengers. What does RMS in RMS Titanic stand for? Is it A. Royal Maritime Ship, B. Registered Merchant Ship, or C. Royal Mail Ship? The correct answer is Royal Mail Ship. Titanic carried thousands of letters and packages under contract with the British Royal Mail, hence the RMS prefix for Royal Mail Ship. What caused the Titanic to sink? Is it A. Fire, B. Collision with an iceberg, or C. Mechanical failure? The correct answer is a collision with an iceberg. The ship struck an iceberg, tearing open its hull below the waterline. How many passengers and crew were on board the Titanic? Is it A. about 1,800, B. about 2,200, or C. about 3,000? The Titanic carried about 2,200 people, including approximately 1,300 passengers and 900 crew members. How many people died in the Titanic disaster? Is it A. about 500, B. about 1,500, or C. about 2,000? The correct answer is about 1,500. Around two-thirds of the people on board lost their lives. A combination of insufficient lifeboats, lack of preparation, and delayed evacuation contributed to the high death toll. How many lifeboats were on the Titanic? Is it A. 20, B. 32, or C. 46? The correct answer is 20. Its 20 boats could carry only 1,178 people, far short of the total number of passengers. Which ship rescued the Titanic survivors? Is it A. Lusitania, B. Britannic, or C. Carpathia? The correct answer is Carpathia. The RMS Carpathia arrived about 2 hours after the Titanic sank and rescued over 700 survivors. What was the name of Titanic's shipbuilding company? Is it A. John Brown and Company, B. Harland and Wolff, or C. Ferguson Marine? The correct answer is Harland and Wolff. A shipbuilding company based in Belfast, Northern Ireland, built the Titanic. The ship was commissioned by White Star Line, but the construction was carried out by Harland and Wolff. What was the temperature of the water during the sinking? Is it A. about 28 degrees Fahrenheit, B. about 40 degrees Fahrenheit, or C. about 50 degrees Fahrenheit? The correct answer is about 28 degrees Fahrenheit. The water temperature was below freezing, causing many deaths by hypothermia within minutes. What was the first distress signal sent by Titanic? Is it A. help, B. CQD, or C. Mayday? The correct answer is CQD. CQD was the old-school emergency code, but Titanic also used SOS, making it the first big ship to ever do that. What time did Titanic strike the iceberg? Is it A. 10:15 p.m., B. 11:40 p.m., or C. 2:20 a.m.? The correct answer is 11:40 p.m. With no binoculars in the lookout and the ocean smooth like glass, the iceberg was spotted too late. How long did it take for the Titanic to sink? Is it A. 1 hour and 15 minutes, B. 2 hours and 40 minutes, or C. 4 hours and 5 minutes? The correct answer is 2 hours and 40 minutes. The ship hit the iceberg at 11:40 p.m. and sank by 2:20 a.m. When did the Titanic sink? Is it A. April 14, 1912, B. April 15, 1912, or C. April 16, 1912? The answer is April 15, 1912. The Titanic sank in the North Atlantic Ocean at approximately 2:20 a.m., about 370 miles southeast of Newfoundland, Canada, after hitting an iceberg on the night of April 14th. Bravo, brave sailors! You've journeyed through time, tragedy, and trivia to uncover the secrets of the Titanic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quizzes and fun facts. Thanks for sailing with us today, and until next time, stay curious. Catch you on the next voyage.